Hey gems, welcome back. It's Lorena again, and today I'm here to share with you guys a Boxycharm Get Ready With Me. These are pretty much mostly products that I've received through Boxycharm, and I figured why not share with you guys as I got ready. I really wanted to test this baby out, so this is the new Alamar Cosmetics palette we received in the June Boxycharm. Literally just got this yesterday and was like, you know what? I want to play with it. But while I was getting ready with this, I was like, why not use most of the products from Boxycharm? I have blushes and lip colors and so much stuff. So that's why I'm calling it that. I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see how I got ready, then go ahead and keep watching. And of course, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you join the Gems fam and you don't miss out on future uploads. And I'll see you soon. Enjoy! Okay, we're starting off with the Cover FX Blurring Primer, which came in last month's box. And it actually is my favorite of the Cover FX formula, but not my favorite primer in general. The Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, this one I actually purchased, was not from Boxycharm. Just being real with you guys, but I do love it. A lot. I'm setting that with MAC Blanc Type. And this one I always just kind of pat over my lid with my finger. Get rid of any tackiness so that eyeshadows blend more easily when we go over them. And for this first shade out of the palette, I went with Coco Taxi as my crease shade. This one looks pretty bright, but honestly you can diffuse it quite a bit and get a really pretty subtle effect, so I liked it. But Tropico, the next one, totally surprised me in the opposite way. It doesn't look as bright, but I put it on and was like, oh, hi neon orange, okay. So if you want to dress up as a pumpkin for Halloween, this would be the perfect shade for you. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it, but it is really pretty. It blended well, but I was just like, oh, like you saw my face. I was like, hi, alright. But yeah, it's not bad. I will say the blendability of the mattes is really nice. Next, I tried Celia Dry, but I wasn't getting the pigmentation I wanted, so I went ahead and spritzed my brush with some setting spray. And it works way better when foiled, so they're not kidding with this whole watermark. You definitely want to use them wet to get like a really good shimmery effect. It wasn't terrible, but the pigmentation wasn't picking up quite well, so definitely want to foil the shimmer shades. Just a quick tip. But it's beautiful. This one I could see myself using over and over for the summer. I love this kind of a shade. And next, after a little confusion, I went in with Guantanamera. And this one is a really pretty, like deep red, slightly burgundy, but mostly red. Very pretty. Surprised me how much I like that one. Only it's a teeny bit because I really wanted the look to be more green. So I didn't want to put too much, but definitely going to reuse that soon. And the name is fun to say. Next we went into Cafecito. I could use a Cafecito right now. It's kind of early as I'm filming this or doing this voiceover. This one, like I said earlier, the mattes blend like a dream, so really like this formula too. And it's a good brown, not too cool, not too warm, so I'm liking it. Then again, we're going to foil the next shade, which is Malecón, El Malecón. And this one I had to look up how to say it because I was like, I've never heard of this. So yes, this one automatically, when I was swatching, caught my eye. It was freaking beautiful. And I did take a little bit of time to build it up on the inner corner, but it shone like a diamond once it was there, you guys. It's just beautiful. It's just definitely one of my three favorite shades from this palette. And all three of my favorites are from the shimmery side, but I love them. And then I use Varadero on the lower lash line. I don't think it quite pops enough on the lower lash line, but it'll be beautiful on the lid later on. I do like a deep smoky blue with this because it's just gorgeous. And I added Celia to the inner part of the lower lash line just to help brighten that a little bit. And I did use the Pretty Vulgar liner we received last month, as well as a deep blue on my lower lash line, but I can't film that because I have to be up in my mirror. Then I used La Costa to brighten my brow bone area. I also use this later on as a face highlight. Super pretty, really subtle. Really, really like that one. Definitely want to foil it though. And I did use the foundations from my panning project. These were not from Boxycharm, but I'm trying to pan them, so I went ahead and used it. And I feel like we're never going to get foundation from Boxycharm just because it's impossible to like figure out who has what shade. So that's cool. I have enough foundations, but Just wanted to be straight up about the fact that that one, definitely not from a box. Or those two are not from a box. But, yep, I really love the combo though. They work really well for me, so yeah. Also, again, trying to pan them. And for this one, I forgot to really showcase it. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Light. Again, this is not my favorite concealer formula. I just wanted to be finished, so this is my effort to try to use it up because, man, this thing has lasted me forever and I just want it to be gone. Just go away already. I mean, yeah, I know a lot of people love it. I don't. It's alright. My setting powder from MAC. This one I do freaking love. I like to spray my sponge with some setting spray. Help kind of apply it and set at the same time. I don't remember who I learned this from, but I really like it. And of course I have to set the rest of my face. I tried not setting my face a few times and girl, you're too oily. You need to prep for that. Need to prep. And my other panning project, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the lightest shade. I don't think I have a bronzer from Boxycharm that works for me. I know we received a trio palette a few months back with the highlight, blush, and bronzer, but the bronzer was shimmery. And no, your girl's too shiny for shimmery, so couldn't use that one. Went with my fave. This blush, though, this Hush blush from Pretty Vulgar. This one I love. Like this, I've used so much since I got it. Just so pretty. So, yep. Excited that I received that because it's become a favorite for sure. Also for my panning project, the Clinique Chubby Stick Highlighter. Just tapping that in place where we need it. A little goes a long way with this, so that's why it's taking forever to pan. And like I mentioned earlier, I did go in with La Costa and use that as a face highlight too. It's actually super pretty. But I didn't foil it because that would be too much bling, girl. Went ahead and set that with the Rainforest C setting spray before going into my brows. I think I called this an e.l.f. palette in my Project Pan update. It's from L'Oreal, girl. I don't know. I think I needed coffee that day or something because I was editing the video going, that's not e.l.f. Oops, my bad. So, really like this powder though. It works really well. It's quick, it's easy, and it matches my brows pretty well considering that it's supposed to be for blondes. It works pretty well for me. Then I did go in with the Brow Galb Setting Gel. I love this one. This is number 2. Alright, and for mascara I used a Rimmel London, their Lash Accelerator Advanced or something like that. I'll list everything down below, but I forgot to use the Butter London that I received from Boxycharm. That one takes me a while though. I really have to work with it and I didn't have that much time at this point. So I was like, forget it. I'm going with the one that I know I like and it works quickly. And I did use my MAC lip primer because you need a lip primer before a liquid lipstick. You guys know how that works. And I used the Gentle Bleu. This is a brown sugar lip liner that we received a few months back. I suck at lining my lips. So bad. So bad. I'm always like, nope, nope. Pointy, nope, too round. It's a thing, guys. And last but not least, I added the Ofra Verona liquid lip shade. This one I originally thought was like a rosy brown. Nope, it's definitely like a mocha brown, but it's super pretty. And there you have it. The look is finished. Alright, gems, and that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I really do. The lip color surprised me a little bit. It's a little bit more brown. I thought it would be like a rosier tone, but it's cool. It goes well with the eyes, so I'm digging it. And I'm running late to the office, so I will see you soon. Let me know you like this by clicking the like. Again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Gems fam. I will see you soon. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!